Jump, Nadu, rebound by Pascual. To Santana. Santana dribble. Face up, short, rebound by Marcelo. Easy shot by Sergov. Easy rebounding. Rosario. Oh, too strong pass. Wala on bounding. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo. Set for play. Tries for three. Not good. Rebound by Pascual. Pascual. Oh, still by Isa. To Fernando. Fernando. Reverse shot. Rebound by Borja. Pass break to Santana. To Pateno. Pateno jump. Not good. Rebound by Mulataw. To Bitangco. Pass break to Marcelo. Marcelo. Jump. Not good. Rebound by Mulataw. Fakes. Jump. Not good. Rebound by Marcelo. SGB ball. Arrow possession. Santana inbounding. Pass to Borja. Borja on the dribble. Set for play. To Santana. Santana jump. Nothing but net. Santana. 3. Change reward. SGB lead by 3 points. Time remaining 6 minutes and 8 seconds. To Marcelo. To Mulataw jump. Short. Rebound by Rosario. Rosario on the dribble. Pass to Borja. Borja. Set for play. To Pascual. Jump. Not good. Rebound by Mulataw. Pass to Bitangco. Pass to Marcelo. Easy shot by Marcelo. Score 38-37. SGB lead by 1 point. Time remaining 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Rosario on the dribble. Rosario. Look for teammate. Pass to Pascual. To Pateno. Same ball. Last touch blue ball. Blue team. Pateno. To Santana. To Rosario. 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, what a pass by Rosario to Pateno. What a play. White ball. Score 40-37. SGB lead by 2 points. Time remaining 5 minutes and 19 seconds.